Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to clear your Xfinity router history. So first you need to access the router's admin panel. You can locate your router's IP address, usually found on a sticker, on the router, or in your router's documentation, usually at the back or in the front. Now you enter the IP address into your web browser's address bar, and you log in using the default username and password. You'll usually find this on the router sticker or in the documentation as well. And then once you're logged in, I want you to look for a section related to logs or security or system logs or history, depending on your version. Okay, whatever router it is, whatever admin panel you have. Now, the specific terminology, of course, may vary depending on your router models. You may need to experiment with different options. And then within the logs or history section, I want you to look for a button or option to clear the logs, delete logs, or a similar phrase. Click on that button to clear the router's history. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.